This one's for ham and cheese lovers. Flaky puff pastry, melty cheese, savory ham, and a creamy Dijon dip on the side. Perfect for after-school snacks or an easy crowd pleaser everyone will love. Let's make it! Start by unrolling your puff pastry on a flat surface. Use any shredded cheese you like. I'm using about 1¼ cups of Mexican-style and mozzarella cheese. Spread evenly over the pastry. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of Italian dried herbs. Spread them evenly. Then gently press the cheese down so it sticks. Add thinly sliced ham. You can also use prosciutto, pancetta, or salami, whatever you have on hand. You can roll this up like a classic pastry, but I like to roll mine Palmier style. It turns this into a savory Palmier, crispy, cheesy, and perfect for sharing. If you're rolling it this way, add another ½ cup of cheese and 2 teaspoons of Italian dried herbs before finishing the roll. Spread the cheese evenly, press it down so it sticks, then fold the pastry. If you're rolling it the traditional way, simply sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of cheese over each cut round before baking. For the egg wash, mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk and whisk well. Brush it evenly over the pastry roll. Cut the roll into 12 even rounds. Turn them over so you can brush egg wash on the bottom. Place them on a tray lined with parchment paper. Then brush again with egg wash on the top and touch up on the sides if needed. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. And add some black sesame seeds for extra color. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. While they bake, let's make the creamy Dijon mustard dip. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, or mayonnaise for a thicker dip, 1 teaspoon of honey if you like, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix until smooth and creamy. Look at that golden brown, flaky, and smelling absolutely amazing. While they're still hot, brush them lightly with the Dijon mustard cream for extra flavor. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. This is the kind of easy, delicious snack or light lunch you can make anytime. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and always a hit. You can prep these ahead. Freeze the unbaked pastries for up to 2 months. And bake straight from frozen, no thawed needed. Just add a few extra minutes. These disappear in minutes once they hit the table. Flaky, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying. Save this recipe, make it your own, and enjoy every bite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.